Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename sheet in Excel. Okay, so before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with video without time wasting. So guys, this is my Excel, and you can see there is a many Excel sheet I'm using, and I want to rename it with new name, or if you want to rename, in order to rename your Excel sheet, so here you have to click with the Excel worksheet you want to rename. So in Microsoft there is a in Microsoft Excel sheet there is a in many updated versions. If you have new version, the same process you can follow. I don't have new version, I'm working on Windows 7. So just click on the sheet you want to rename. Okay, so click right button of your mouse and you can see the rename option. Just click on it and name the name which you want to rename. Okay, so just give the name which you wish to give them. Test name. Okay, and just enter the key, so the Excel sheet will be renamed by this process. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.